What did little corn say to mama corn? Where's popcorn? All right, guys. So today for our skills block lesson, I'm going to share my screen and open up to yesterday's skills block page. So 511 skills block in your composition notebook or wherever you wrote it down. And here we go. Perfect. All right. So you can see me, but you'll be able to see my composition notebook underneath me. So do you guys remember Clover? C-L-O-V-E-R? I sure hope so, because we worked on it quite a bit. So we're going to focus on Clover. I've opened up to this page, but I'm just going to show you. You don't have to write this down. I'm going to show you on this back side, maybe right here actually, Clover. C, do it a little bit, C-L-O-V-E-R. So for right now, just pay attention. We have Clover. So you know that there was that Clover concept in our class. So each word has a syllable, right? So each word, we're going to say word. Each word has a syllable. So that word has one syllable. Each syllable contains a vowel. And here's our vowel. I'm going to dot it, and I'm actually even going to highlight it so that way you guys can see. Oh my goodness, look at that highlighter. I may grab a new highlighter. Ah, friends, these are the highlighters from class. Hope you guys weren't the ones pushing the tips so hard. There we go. That's a good one. All right, word. Word. So we have one vowel, A-E-I-O-U, sometimes Y, and we have one syllable. So in each syllable, which words can be multisyllabic, which has more than one syllable, the syllables have to contain a vowel, and with the vowels, they're going to follow a Clover concept. So C-L-O-V-E-R. So you may know this. Parents, if you're helping out, you may not know this. So let's explain this just to refresh ourselves and even if parents don't know this. So C, that's going to be closed. Closed has a short vowel. So cat, C-A-T, that's our example. It's going to have a brev. Does that A say its name? Does it say Kate? No. So I'm going to box our examples. Cat. Cat. That vowel is going to be short. All right, we have the L. That is consonant plus L-E. So our example is eagle, E-A-G-L-E. G, consonant plus L-E. O is open. Let's think of egret, the bird, egret. Egret. E is open. That E says its name. Give me 1 second, friends. Let me let my pooches out. Okay, come on. All right. So we've been over this. This is just a quick review. V is what? Vowel team. So an example could be like the bean you eat, B-E-A-N. I'll put dots under our vowels. Eagle. Oh, take a look. G plus L-E. Cat is one. Scoop. E is silent E. Let's think of bake. Bake. There are two vowels, but that E at the end, VCE, vowel consonant E, and R is R controlled. So we can think of the word bird. Bird. These are all of our examples. Boxing our examples so that way you don't get confused. All right, friends, so I'm going to highlight all of my vowels. We have cat, We have E, an A, an eagle, and an E. Egret, bean, bake, and bird. So if you take a look at our clover concept, remember C-L-O-V-E-R. All right, so we have, this is just an example. C is closed. We have cat, which is one syllable. Put your hand on your chin, say cat. Do you see how that one syllable contains at least one vowel? And that vowel is short, so it is closed. L is consonant plus LE. Put your hand on your chin, say eagle. Two syllables. Do you see the scoops? One, two. The first scoop is EA, which you would think that's a vowel team, right? But take a look at the second scoop. The second scoop, so the first scoop would actually be a vowel team. The second scoop would be a consonant plus LE. So each syllable has to follow a clover rule. So that first syllable is a vowel team. The second syllable is actually going to be consonant plus LE. Let's take a look at the open word, egret. E says its name, so that is long. That first syllable is going to be open. But take a look at the second syllable, gret, That's going to be short with a brev. So that second syllable is actually closed. Let's take a look at bean. One syllable, E-A. E-A is a vowel team. Let's take a look at bake. Bake, one syllable, vowel, consonant E. That is our silent E rule. And take a look at bird, one syllable, bird. I-R, it has at least one vowel, and I-R, it's going to be R controlled. Remember, A-R, E-R, I-R, O-R, and U-R. If it has a vowel plus an R at the end, it's going to be R controlled. All right, so let's flip back to yesterday's page with our 10 words that we focused on from Monday. Skills block. All right, so that way you guys can see, I'm gonna go through, if you have a highlighter, you can highlight it too, but if you have the dots, that's perfectly fine. So I'm gonna highlight all of my dots, so that way you can visually see. Some people like to learn like this, so I'm going to highlight all of our vowels. Why our vowels in this instance? So if you have a highlighter, go through and highlight everything. If you need to pause the video, you can. Let's go over these together. So let's go over these together. We have, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to flip to a new page, that way you guys can see, but we're going to focus on these words still. So if you want to, you can do this with me, or you can just follow along. So I'm going to flip to a new page. I'm going to label it the 12 skills block. So I'm actually going to try putting this down here, putting it up a little bit higher so that you guys can see. There we go. Perfect. All right, skills block. So we have number 1. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna write ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T. Let's scoop it. We have tick, it. I'm going to highlight my vowels. So we have one vowel in our first syllable, one vowel in our second syllable. Let's take a look at the first syllable, tick, What kind of, is that short or closed? What kind of vowel is that? It is going to be short with a brev, so it's going to be closed. I'm going to put a C for clover. So remember, C-L-O-V-E-R. We are going to be doing this today. We're going to actually put a C if it's closed, an L if it's a consonant plus LE, an O if it's open, a V if it's a vowel team, an E if it's a silent E, or an R if it's R controlled. So let's take a look at it. Et. Does it say eat? Nope. So it is going to be closed. It's going to have a brev above that E, so it's going to be closed. So this word, the first syllable is closed. The second syllable is closed. Let's take a look at our second word that we worked with from yesterday. B-side. B-E-S-I-D-E. B-side. Let's find our vowels. B, S-I-D-E. S-I-D-E. So take a look at B. E. Does it say its name? Is it going to have a brev or a macron? A macron. So what clover concept is it? It is open. It says its name. I'm going to put an O underneath it because it's open. Now take a look at side. Side. That I says its name. Is it open though? No, because it has an E to follow. So it's going to be silent E. I'm going to put an E underneath it. So this clover or this syllable concept is O. This syllable concept is E. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, the word is beaver. B-E-A-V-E-R. Beaver. All right, I'm going to find my vowels. All right, first syllable. E-A, together. What clover concept is that? That is going to be a vowel team. Good job. And V-E-R, ver. What concept is that going to be? An R control, because look, it's an E-R. E-R at the end. So V, the first syllable is a vowel team. The second syllable is an R controlled. Let's take a look at number 4. Story. S-T-O-R-Y. Store. E. 2 syllables. Let's find our vowels. O and a Y. Remember, each syllable has to have a vowel, so that Y is going to act as that vowel. I'm going to fix this so that way you guys can see the R's on the first syllable, and the Y is all by itself. Or, O, take a look at that. Does it say ah? Does it say O? No, because there's an R following it, so it's going to be R controlled. And take a look at the Y. E. It's taking the place of E that says its name, so it's going to have a macron. So we are going to classify that as open because it is long. It is a long vowel. So the first syllable is R controlled. The second syllable is open. Let's take a look at number 5. Replies. R-E-P-L-I-E-S. Replies. Find your syllables. E and then I-E. All right, E says its name. It has a macron above it. What clover concept is it? Yes, it is an open. And then plies. Do you see how I and E are right next to each other? That means it is a vowel team. They're a strong vowel team. Awesome job, guys. So take a look. Take a look. All right. I'm going to give you some time. I want you to try the next 5 by yourself. Okay, so pause the video because I'm going to pause my video. And then when you unpause it, I'll have the answers so you can double check it, okay? So pause your video and try the next 5 words. So we have railroad, explain, nighttime, agree, and paper. Pause your video right now. I'm gonna pause my video too. All right, friends, I am back. I'm gonna share my screen once more. So you should have tried attempting the last 5 words. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's review it then. All right, so 6 is railroad. Rail, AI is vowel team. OA is vowel team. Explain, X, is closed. E is a short vowel. And plain, AI is a vowel team. Let's take a look at number 8. Nighttime, I, that's open. That I says its name, so it has a macron above it, it's open. And time, VCE concept. Take a look at agree. Remember how we asked that lady if schwas work? I'm not too sure, so we're just gonna consider it a closed. Agree. Double E, vowel team. And number 10, pay per. Pay, A, it says its name. It's an open. And per, ER, is R controlled. All right, friends, that's it for today. I just wanted you to practice with some of our Clover concepts.